How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the brand new iPad Air 4th generation. This is the newest generation that's available in 2021, and we have the 64 gigabyte version. There you go, 64 gigabytes iPad Air 4th generation Wi-Fi, and I have the sky blue variation. So sky blue, very, very cool color. Let's go ahead and open it up. We've got this little tab right here, which I kind of slightly ripped when I took it out of the bag because I was thinking this was just a sticker or something that was stuck on the actual box, but it was not. It's actually just your little pull tab right here. So let's go ahead and pull that tab nicely right there, and we'll continue pulling it. And we'll just take all of this wrapping just off right there. There we go, nicely. I really like the look of this box, like just the color and stuff that's on this box. It's super nice, really cool. Looks really good. I love the new blue that iPad is going. You can see even the coloration on the side of iPad Air looks kind of bluish as well. Let's go ahead and open this. The box is quite tight, so it's kind of giving you that kind of wow factor when you open up Apple products like they used to do all the time, make the boxes tight, and then it would slowly release, and boom, you would get to see your iPad Air. Let's go ahead and just remove this for a second. We're just going to place it to the side for a second. We'll just have a quick look at the contents that we get included in the box. We'll quickly go ahead and start with what we have in here. And what type of Apple stickers and stuff do we get with this one here? We'll see. All right, iPad Air. We've got some instructions and all that good stuff. And there's something else in here as well. There we go. We do get stickers, and they are the big white Apple stickers. So not blue ones. That would be really cool if they actually had blue Apple stickers included in the box, but they don't. But that's all right. All right, so we do get USB-C to USB-C. We are done with Lightning. Lightning is done on iPads, which I would normally be really cool about, except the fact that I also do have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and unfortunately it still uses Lightning. So I would like to see USB-C on all the iPhones as well. That would be really cool. And we do have the big adapter for here, and this is your USB-C adapter. So this is going to give you quite fast charging, and this one is a 20-watt charger. There you go, 20 watt. You can kind of see it right in there. 20-watt charger, so very nice. So we should get some very good quick charging with this brick right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll just place that stuff to the side for the second right now, and let's go ahead and actually look at the iPad itself. We'll go ahead and we'll just take off the backing right here, and we'll have a nice look at it. And this color is just awesome. I really like this color, the sky blue color, as you can see. So we'll go ahead and we'll look at your camera and stuff right there. And yes, it looks quite bright in my lights, but you can get a good look at your sky blue color. We've got the MagSafe type strip right here, so you can clip on different items. We've got the USB-C just on the bottom right there. We've got speakers all around, and on this side there's that other little connector piece right there, your volume up and down buttons just right there. And then on the top, this is actually a fingerprint scanner. So it's the smallest fingerprint scanner that Apple's ever fit to any of their products. So very cool. Can't wait to set that up. We've got all different types of speakers and stuff at the top right there as well. And no mute on off switch that they have, or sorry, they do have the on off switch, but no, none of that mute button like they do on iPhones and stuff. So very nice. I really like just the feel of this. I like how they've gone to this more squared off design, which is aligned with their new iPhones. And then this color, of course, just looks great. I love the sky blue color. I think it's fantastic. Definitely was my favorite color. We'll have some video comparisons coming up with my iPhone 12 Pro Max with the Pacific Blue. So we'll get a comparison of the two different colors of those in the future. But if you like this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.